play the new Sick Lad album. August 28th, I think. It's 8 degrees. All you get to hear me talking about this summer is how cold it is. Well, Ducati was not happy starting this morning. It took me probably, I don't know, 8 or 10 tries to get it to turn over. Sometimes in the morning it feels like my fuel is a little lean, and you know, I don't want to flood it by hitting the throttle, but once it catches, I have to give it a little bit of gas or it won't start. Well, let's not forget our phone this time. Drove home the other day with my iPhone in my pocket. Not a good plan. Let's go. Typical day in the life here. I need to grab some monsters for work. Kids all love the Ducati, man. Morning. Whoops. Morning. No, it's fine. Great, thank you. Yeah. Who doesn't love that? So back on the backpack today. No Kriega bag, because I'm taking the Ducati in for an oil change. It's not due by mileage, but it's been a year on the calendar, and or not quite a year for the oil change, but my service would be due. And I think I talked about it before. This bike has just about a month ago came off of the 2-year warranty, and so at 6,000 kilometers, a $300 oil change just for the end of the season here before I put it away is definitely a good idea. But at the beginning of the season, my 1-year Ducati service was $300. And when I booked it in for the oil change, they said it went up to $450. So an oil change and a 1-year service, which is basically checking fluids, checking brakes. I get it, that's Ducati world, but you know, we get robbed willingly just buying bikes and taking care of these things. But 6,000 kilometers, I've already had one service. I shouldn't be at $2,000 in service at 6,000 kilometers. That would be ridiculous. So oil change today, and demo bike plan is maybe revisit the BMW 1250, the 1250R. I never remember what their names are. It's like R1250R. Let's go check it out tonight. 8 degrees. Oh, it's warmed up all the way to 9 degrees. So today I've got A-Star back on, full liner, neck gaiter, you know, warm gloves. And it's a funny thing, my Ducati Corsa jacket, that Denise jacket, it was a friend of a friend who was leaving town, so I picked up that jacket. It's actually one size too big, and so the crazy thing is, when I'm going fast, I can actually feel it moving and, like, you know, buffeting in the wind. So hot days it's a little bit cooler, but not really. This one actually has vents that I can open. But yeah, that bigger jacket, I'm not sure what it's for. Maybe if I had a scrambler or something, I'd wear a big loose jacket, you know, wearing the colors. But it's definitely not my choice. This is my favorite jacket by a mile. And definitely warmer. 9 degrees. Yikes. Feels slippery. And my glasses are fogging. Oh. Fall is coming, my friends. Fall is here. What's up? What is up, BMW? Been a minute since I've been on one of these. Holy, look at the bugs.